nú nói nú thịt trâu ra mà nhà ơi giờ một chế lo đây nó chế chưa mùng nó chỉ phải lo liền là năng gỗ chỉ là thì sẽ chỉ phải lo nhớ tao trâu không lo là gì tao là chỉ xài nhớ là giờ mùng chế lo Yeah, we have to.
Jason's here. Jason with her.
She hero Costa Rica. Che. One more new base but it was a fun ride. Costa Rica.
Maybe you should sing it. You should put on a song that you all know. Sing all the way to Austin.
Really here? What's up, Billy?
là bố trà kế thế à? Thế là chả không nào? Bố trà kế đó. A little bit.
Chỉ còn đang đi lại nha, cái này là gì mà nè, sao tôi bán xuống à?
So our 80,000 professionals are here to help you connect with the people and places you love. And together, we keep climbing for you.
Hello, welcome aboard and thanks for flying with Delta. We're proud to serve you and 180 million customers from around the world that travel with us each year.
Our first priority on every flight is safety, so before we depart, we'll be giving a brief safety demonstration.
Be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin. And place smaller items, including handbags, underneath the seat in front of you. If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance. Please ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case you're...
If you're seated in the first class or business class cabin, life vests are located in the
vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest. If necessary, we'll distribute additional life vests for children who weigh 35 pounds or less.
Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrest and headrests are lowered, and your tray table is put away. As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
On behalf of everyone at Delta Airlines, we want to thank you for paying attention. Now, as we prepare for takeoff, please relax and enjoy your flight. Thanks for flying with Delta.
Bây giờ nó
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to you from the flight deck. We are just waiting on one arrival, and then we will be back taxiing in position for runway 7 for takeoff. At this time, we'd like to ask the flight attendants to prepare the cabin for departure.